Welcome. Watch how we craft rich, flavorful butter chicken from premium ingredients to your plate. Check the temperature logs on arrival.
Everything looks good here. Bring it in.
Check the reading on crate 4.
It's compliant. Logging the entry.
Moisture content is stable at 75%. Good. Log that in the system.
The variance is still too high on the last cut. We need to adjust the flow rate slightly.
Okay, let's try decreasing it by 0.05 and rerun the test.
Could you double check the viscosity reading here?
Yes, Supervisor. It's showing 250 centipoise.
That's within the acceptable range. Proceed with the next sample.
The humidity spiked in vat 4. We need to adjust the intake.
I see it. Increasing the flow rate now.
Check the mixing parameters here. They are unstable.
The color saturation looks excellent on this batch. Spice distribution is uniform. We can approve it.
Core temperature is steady at 165.
Acknowledged. Looks good on this end.
All logs are verified. The quality metrics look good.
Agreed. Authorizing this batch for the next phase.
Increasing fan speed in Zone 2.
Acknowledged. We are maintaining moisture levels.
This one is slightly off color, pulling it.
Okay, keep an eye on the moisture levels coming through.
ensure the sterilization temps held steady on this run.
Check the logs. Everything is well within the critical limits.
All right, sign off for release. The butter is blending perfectly. Temperature is optimal.
Agreed. The consistency is looking very rich and smooth.
Viscosity and color look good. The flavor is rich and consistent.
Excellent. I'll log it as approved for integration.
The viscosity seems perfect on this batch.
Agreed. Color is spot on with the reference too.
The pH levels are within the acceptable range for this batch.
Confirmed. Turbidity matches the standard.
Everything is compliant. Let's approve the batch.
The aroma is spot on, but the intensity needs a slight boost.
Agreed. The balance is almost there.
Let's increase the coriander by 5%. The temperature is stabilizing now. Let's adjust the spice concentration.
Okay, blend uniformity is holding steady. We have achieved the optimal standard.
The color uniformity on this batch looks perfect.
Yes, and the particle size is consistent across the tray.
Okay.
Here are the butter chicken samples for microbial analysis.
I'll plate them right away, focusing on the salmonella screen.
The capsaicin levels are within tolerance, slightly higher than the last batch.
The flavor profile is excellent, rich.
Check the viscosity on tank 4.
Levels are stable, holding at optimal range.
The temperature is within range.
Agreed. The viscosity and spice balance meet the standard. Recording the data now. The chromatography report for batch 72 looks consistent.
And regulatory sign-off is clear. We are good to authorize the next phase.
The temperature in vat 3 is holding steady.
All parameters look good here on the integration logs.
Confirmed on the tablet, we are clear for simmering.
The aroma is rich and the texture seems consistent.
Data confirms the viscosity is within range. Looks good for release.
The temperature curves look consistent across all batches.
Agreed. The quality metrics are within tolerance. Let's authorize the release.
Signing off now.
The pH levels are stable across all 3 batches.
Good. Let's authorize the release for packaging.
The creaminess is spot on. And the spice has a lovely warmth.
Absolutely. And the tenderness of the chicken is remarkable.
Batch 42 is officially cleared for production.
That's fantastic news. Well done, team.
All parameters are within tolerance. We can proceed with the approval.
All right, batch 45B approved for distribution and cold storage.
Everything checks out here according to the protocol.
Perfect. I've updated the system and applied the tag.
Manifest checks out. That bay is clear. Roger that. Moving to bay 3.
Thank you for joining us in this journey. We're proud to deliver rich, flavorful butter chicken made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.